I'm going to make a easy peasy appetizer. It's one that is elegant, but very simple. The best part about it is that my neighbor is kind enough to let me pilfer her fresh basil. I wish you could smell this. It smells divine. And I am so blessed that they live here and that they are such great herb gardeners. I've tried and tried and tried to make herbs grow and they just die, but look at this. They have their lettuces, beautiful fresh parsley, and look at the basil. She's got all different kinds of basils growing. I'm not sure which they are, but they all smell amazing. That's the beautiful neighbor, Chelsea. And dill and more different lettuces. Oh, and her plumerias are just gorgeous. I thought I might as well show you where the basil came from for our Caprese salad. Back into the nerve center, the kitchen, where all the good things happen, right? I'm just gonna use regular toothpicks today, but usually I like to use the little bit longer ones. Just think they look a little classier.
I use the vacuum now. Would it be too loud for you?
Yeah, I definitely have to wait until I'm ready. Marinated fresh mozzarella cheese from, you guessed it, Trader Joe's. And organic mixed medley cherry tomatoes from Trader Joe's. And incredible basil from Pat and Terry's garden. These tomatoes are too big to put like in your mouth with a piece of cheese and some basil. So cut them in half. Now if they were this size, you'd be cool just to use them just how they are. But these are too big, so damn, we're gonna have to cut them in half. You wanna cut them all exactly the same way. Where the stem was, I just cut right across there. All look uniform and the same.
All right, go to car wash and need some gas in your car, right?
You don't need to wash this.
Pick up your dry cleaning. Is dry cleaning ready?
Back of the tomato, and then fold up your basil and put it on next. And then the mozzarella ball.
And then into your husband.
Maybe you didn't get salt and pepper yet.
Oh, okay.
The back of the tomato. Depends on the size of your basil. This size of basil, you want to fold it twice. And then skewer the center of your mozzarella ball. You don't want the basil hanging all out. And they're hard enough to eat, you know. And you want to fold the basil twice, but you want it to be where the shiny side is out. I know it sounds really anal, but the details are what life is about. If you're gonna do it, you might as well do it nicely, my mom would say. They also make this mozzarella not marinated, but I figure you might as well give it as much flavor as you can. I'm using one of these little half of a half tin. They are all skewered up in my 1/4 tin. What I'm going to do now is take the oil from the mozzarella cheese. See all that goodness in the bottom? Basil and salt and pepper, and put that on top of here. And then I'll take the oil with me in case it needs more oil. But I don't want the skewers to get all oil. And that's the only seasoning that you need for this beautiful Caprese appetizer. And here's your beautiful Caprese appetizer to go. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.